Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla crashed nearly 7%. The entire stock market crashed today. We see SPY, QQQ, the Dow Jones ETF, they're all bleeding. In this list it seems only Palantir is going up today, so what to expect next on Tesla? I mean, is it the time to panic or is this the time to buy? Let's see. First, remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Now back to Tesla. It is curious because regardless if you say that right now this is the time to panic or if this is the time to buy, I think you are right because you do. We can easily see technical reasons to believe that Tesla is going to drop more, and we see technical reasons to believe that Tesla is a buy right now. There is no right and wrong in this situation, no right or wrong in this situation. What is wrong to me is trading without a plan, trading without any technique, without knowing where should be your stop loss, without knowing where is going to be your target. So this is wrong. But as long as you follow a trading plan, I think everything is valid in this situation. Now, if you are bearish, okay, Nathan, I think Tesla is going to be a little bit more bearish right now. I think we still have more room to drop because Tesla is doing right now this. It is triggering a bearish pivot point. I mean, we dropped sharply, we bounced back up to the EMA area to fill this gap over here, and right now we are doing a lower low. So, in my humble opinion, technically speaking, Tesla has more room to drop. And by triggering this pivot point, I think we are going to lose this support level and retest the $250, filling this gap in sequence. So yes, you're right. How can I possibly disagree with this bearish thesis? And you may say, and my stop loss is going to be above today's high. My target is 250. This is it. Great, that's perfect. That's a perfect bearish thesis to work with. I can't disagree with you because you are being 100% reasonable and technical. Now, Nathan, I believe Tesla is a buy right now. Why is Tesla a buy right now? I'm going to ask because although we triggered this pivot point, we couldn't break the previous support level at $265. In addition, this seems to be an exhaustion bar. I mean, we already see Tesla crashing, we already see a very sharp bearish movement which was already materialized over here, and right now we see a very strong bearish bar with high volume just above the previous support level. All of this indicates to me that this is a bearish exhaustion bar. In addition, in the 1 hour chart, we see that Tesla broke our ascending triangle downwards. It broke downwards. It could, okay, Tesla could, this one, we could have seen an upwards breakout or downwards breakout. There was no technical direction for this, but since we saw a downwards breakout, okay, we dropped sharply, we crashed, and again, we hit our target at 265 down here. This black line, we hit this black line with an astonishing precision. It was a very nice and technical movement. We hit this point, and right now, it seems we are reacting. I mean, we see two spinning bottoms candlestick patterns in sequence just above this support level. So this means something, right? So I do believe Tesla is going to bounce back up. In addition to all of this, what's more, Tesla left an open gap. And as we know, Tesla always fills the gaps that appear above the price. Right now, it gapped down. It did a breakaway gap because we are losing this purple trend line by doing this gap. So it is a breakaway gap, but it is still an open gap. And any reaction in a clear support level might be an excuse to believe that Tesla is going to bounce back up to fill this gap. I'm gonna set a stop loss under the 265 over here, because if we lose 265, okay, probably my bullish thesis will be totally frustrated, and indeed we're gonna seek the 250 down here. But since my target is this open gap, the risk reward ratio makes plenty of sense, right? Even if I lose, I'm gonna lose just a little bit of money, and if this bullish thesis materialize, I'm gonna make way more than what I would lose in the first place. So this makes sense, right? It is all about risk reward ratio. So again, how can I possibly disagree with a bullish thesis like this one? So see, we can easily find an excuse to buy or to sell in this situation. There is no right or wrong. What is wrong is trading without a plan, trading without a crystal clear technique on mind, okay, without any target, without any stop loss. So this is wrong. But whatever Tesla is going to do next, I think if in my humble opinion, of course, if you have a crystal clear and good risk management, a crystal clear good technique, a clear methodology, okay, everything is plausible in this scenario. And either way, I think Tesla is going to do a very strong movement afterwards, even if we trigger this bearish pivot point and seek the 250, that's great. Or even if we bounce back up to the 280s, that's also phenomenal. As far as I know, Tesla, either way, as far as I know, Tesla is still quite resilient. It is way more resilient than any other stock. And the situation to me at least favors the bulls right now, because the risk reward ratio is slightly better, and because this support level is quite annoying. So only time will tell. If we see a better reaction tomorrow, if we see a crystal clear bullish candlestick pattern tomorrow, I think Tesla will have more chances to bounce back up, and then we'll see if this is a bullish reversal pattern or not. Either way, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day. If you wanna trade with me, consider subscribing my newsletter. Check my website, thefinancehydra.com. Trade with me. I share my personal portfolio with you guys. My performance is quite good and it is public. My track record is 100% public, so come on, let's trade together. I hope you guys are going to join me. Thank you very much. And if you're still watching this video, subscribe, okay? Probably you like the content, so subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.